Good morning, all you beautiful souls. This is the time in our service that we meditate. So let's come to the center. Just turn our attention into the center of our being, which for many people we feel like it's the middle of our body, but our energy extends a good 6 feet out. Average. So when we come to center, we are really bringing all of that into our heart. Breathing in peace, breathing out peace. Breathing in love and breathing out love. Feeling a profound sense of well-being. A sense of connection to everyone else here. A sense of community, family. A spiritual home. And as we feel that collective consciousness, if you will, let us think of the prayer box and all the prayers that are in it and all the prayers we may have for others. See it filled with light as the mind and the heart of God brings order and peace to every request. And along with this affirmation, we give thanks for answered prayer. We give thanks for healing, for prosperity, for love. For hearts mended. We are truly, truly blessed. Amen.